Good morning, hope you're doing well. We are the start of September, the last month of quarter three. Really keen and excited to see some of the moves that we've got shaping up, currently open. And I wanted to share them in as a concise way as I can, so you can get a flavour for what we do. We've not been on here much over the last few days. We're very busy with a couple of things going on in our community. Those two things are, one, doing a group-wide FTMO funded trader challenge with everybody. So we've got 30-40 members doing that together, and also starting our 12-week coaching program. So I put it out there to work alongside 5 people free of charge up until the end of the year, probably around end of November, to really focus on their trading consistency, trading psychology, and working together with me in sort of like a one-to-one type basis. And that's probably a 30-minute catch-up every week, making sure people are staying on track with their plan, accountability, and discussing the challenges that they face. So really excited to work with those individuals over that period. So it means we've not been on here so much to do some of the trading view ideas and to share some trades with you. So ultimately wanted to share what we've got currently open. So we've got big moves currently with US dollar type pairs, Australian dollar, Kiwi, and some pound pairs as well. And this is just a great example of when we get these trends, how important it is that we let these trades run and that we maximize on the profitability. For example, we've got NZD USD here. This is running 11% risking 1, so 11.72 risk to reward. We will hold that trade until we see a reverse signal. This could continue up for another 50, 100 pips, who knows, or might drop off, and then we'll close and follow the sell. So ultimately, there are quite a few pairs open like this. So that's 11%. NZD JPY is another big trade. So that is more of a about 3-ish%. Let's have a look. We've got a wider stop loss on this one. And as you can remember when I did a video previously about this, yeah, just over 3%. The tighter the stop loss and the bigger the move, the more percentage gain you're going to get. NZD CHF, another 9%. So 19, that's 22, risking 1% per trade. About 2.5 to 3%. Pound USD, Pound JPY is moving still, and that one again about 3%. Euro USD pulling back a little bit this morning, but still a trade that is at just approaching TP2, which is about 2%. Euro NZD. Now, if you remember, we were in this buy for such a long time. From here, it was about a 400 pip, 500. I think it peaked at about 600 pips. But if we'd have closed at TP 1, 2, or 3, we'd have cut ourselves short. We held that trade until a reverse signal. That reverse signal was at 1.788. So that was a good 400 plus pip move. And now the sell that we're in has passed TP2, and that is running over 180-ish pips. Which again is a 3-to-1 trade. Euro yen's around entry, and yeah, not far away from entry here. And then the AUD pairs. So AUD CHF is another strong move at an AUD JPY. So this is currently 4-5% AUD yen. Here we go. So another tight stop loss, a 17 pip stop loss on AUD JPY. And let's just plot the long position graph on here. And then waking up to gold this morning. So gold on our 15-minute strategy, running a 10-to-1 as well. So this is 11.2% from a 1% risk. So it just shows how powerful them tight stop losses can be. Yes, you'll hit more losers. So you'll have a lower win rate on a tighter stop loss, but it's ultimately about the long game. And then when you get a position like this, holding it. Not being in fear that, oh, I've hit some stop losses, I'm going to close this one in small profit, because this is where you will be failing and falling down on your overall profitability as a trader. So we'll hold these trades until we get a reverse signal. That's a 5-minute recap. Hang on, 5 minutes. Hopefully take a look at some of these positions, compare it to your own trades. Ultimately, we don't try and guess, we don't hope, we don't try and forecast as such. Nobody knows where these trades or pairs are moving at any one time. But ultimately, what we do is use our algorithm approach and the strategy that we've coded to make sure, in the main, with the right side of the trade, that we can catch trending moves like this. All right, thanks for watching.